Ever wondered how inheritance works in JavaScript? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on an enlightening journey through the fascinating world of JavaScript inheritance. Inheritance, at its core, is a mechanism that allows objects to inherit properties and methods from other objects. Think of it as a family lineage where traits are passed down from parents to their offspring. In JavaScript, this parent-offspring relationship is often referred to as the superclass-subclass relationship. Now, the first thing to understand here is the concept of the prototype chain. Each object in JavaScript possesses an internal property known as. This property serves as a reference to another object, its prototype. When you try to access a property or method on an object, JavaScript first checks if it's present directly on that object. If it's not, it journeys up the prototype chain, hunting for that property or method, until it finds it or reaches the end of the chain. At the pinnacle of this prototype chain is the Object.prototype object. This object is like the common ancestor in our family lineage analogy. It contains properties and methods that are shared by all JavaScript objects. Functions like toString and valueOf that you might have used before are all part of this Object.prototype. Now, you might wonder, how do we create these objects with a shared prototype? That's where constructor functions come into play. When invoked with the new keyword, a constructor function crafts a new object instance, with its property pointing back to the prototype of the constructor function. This leads us to the heart of JavaScript inheritance, prototypal inheritance. Objects inherit properties and methods from their prototypes. By adding properties and methods to a constructor function's prototype object, every instance created by that constructor function gets those properties and methods. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Consider two constructor functions, animal and dog. Animal is our parent constructor function, and dog is our child constructor function. We add a method sayName to the animal's prototype. Then we make dog inherit from animal's prototype using Object.create. We also add a method bark to the dog's prototype. Now, when we create an instance of dog, it can access both sayName from animal and bark from dog. This, my friends, is the magic of prototypal inheritance. To sum it up, inheritance in JavaScript is about objects inheriting properties and methods from other objects through a prototype chain. This is achieved using constructor functions and the property. And that's how the wonderful world of JavaScript inheritance works. Enjoy coding